Alright, today I'm going to show you how to get a sort of bootleg version of Android 2.1 on your Motorola Droid, and it's a little bit different than the 2.1 that you're going to download from Droid forums or alldroid.com. Those are the real 2.1 firmware. This is sort of an app that kind of covers it and makes it become that theme, and I'm going to show you some differences right now with that. If you look into some other people's videos who got the version from certain websites, you're going to find that they have the new gallery, and then they have the faster browser speed. And with this one, if I go into my photo gallery real quick, it's the same photo gallery that was on the original Droid, and the browser speed is just as slow. It's not as fast, I should say, as 2.1. Other than that, there's really no differences. I'll show you. There's 5 home screens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 home screens. Instead of the slide up app drawer on Droid 2.0.1, there's the now squares that you can find on 2.1, and they look the same. They have the same rolling sort of effect that a lot of people are going crazy over. I really like it too. It looks nice, and this is also on. One complaint that I do have with this sort of software is since it is an app, it force closes, and when it force closes, you don't have to reinstall it, but it does stop whatever you're doing. Like if you're in Facebook or searching the web, it does cause you to have to hit force close, but it doesn't X out of whatever you're doing. It just causes that. And another thing, that the software that you can get online that you have to download onto your computer and then onto your Droid then has some problems. It doesn't let your backlight on your keyboard work. This does. As you can see, it was a little slow there. And it's going to be a little slow here. Yep. See? Slow. That's another bad thing. And it does, the GPS navigation does work. That comes with it. The Car Home app does work on this software. So that's one thing. And the reason I didn't download the software, the hacked software, is because I thought that I use the Car Home a lot, and I like my backlight on my keyboard, so I thought that this was just a fair compromise for the faster web speed and the updated photo gallery. So I like this a little bit more, and I hear rumors that they're going to be coming out with a new 2.1 built for the Droid, so I'm just going to wait till that comes out to get the full software update. So I'll go and show you how to get this on. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your browser on your phone, and I already have it loaded in the history. What you're going to type in is download space launcher 2.apk. It's going to look, the website you're going to come up to is going to look a little bit like what mine's going to look like in a second. And it's going to come to this, and as you can see here, it says download launcher 2 at .apk. You see that? I'm actually switching in landscape mode to make it easier for you to see. And you're going to scroll down to, on my phone, the third one, and it says the website URL is sendspace.com. You're going to click that, and it's going to go into a website that looks like this. From here, there's 2 options in those gray bars. There's one high speed download and then one regular download. You're going to select regular download. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to scroll midway down the page, and it's going to have something that says download link landscape2.apk and then download. Select that, download, it's going to bring you something like this. Since I've already have this installed, it's going to try to reinstall it. And for you, you just let it install. I'm going to actually cancel the download. And then once it's finished installing, it's going to look like this, other than the images. I don't know why that's in. But it's going to look like this. After you do that, you're going to select it. It's going to bring you to that. Oh, since I already had it, it's going to bring you to that. You're going to hit install, like you're installing a normal app. And it's going to install it for you. Just like its app, this takes about 30 seconds. Really quick. It's already done. Application installed, select done. It's going to bring you back to this. And you're going to hit the home key on the side. And then it's going to bring you to this. What you're going to do is you're going to go to select. First, you're going to select use by default for this action. Select that box. And then you're going to select the launcher icon right there. There's home and launcher. You're going to select launcher. And it's going to take a while. And it's going to bring you your home screen. And you now have the 2.1 sort of cover app. Thanks for watching.